Hey y'all, thank you for joining us for part two. We're going to do our deep cleanse now, adding in part water to part apple cider vinegar. You can do half and half, you can do a third and half. I always add a little bit more apple cider vinegar only because I'm not using baking soda this time and his hair hasn't been washed in months, so we needed to be as strong as we could. So in this video, you'll see me rubbing each dread. That basically is to loosen the dirt so that it will come out when we wash it. We're going to do this process 3 times in 15-minute intervals each. Now we're just going to speed it up a little bit just because it's the same process over. Once you've soaked the hair, go through it individually, make sure you're getting the dirt out with your hands. Once part 1 is finished, again, repeat this process 2 more times, and then follow up with your shampoo and conditioner. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow us on YouTube. Look at the dirt. Oh, it's so dirty. All right, thanks for watching.